Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a design team unboxing. I'm so excited. This is from Ariel. She actually just changed her name on Instagram and it's now Creative Mojo Studio, but I am on her design team. And look at a lot of design teams, sometimes you get stuff, whether it's paper, dyes, this or that, and you may not like everything, but our girl, she knows. She's a happy mailer, she's a crafter. She knows that we love the pinks, the bows, the sparkle, the mints, the cute packaging, like down to a T. So this is a design team box, and you can purchase this entire design team box on her website. I will leave that information down below. Don't forget to use my discount code. It'll save you 10%. I'll link everything down below. But look how cute. The crinkle paper. She's got the little accents of gold. It's just, this is what, if you've never received Happy Mail, I feel like this is what this feels like. You're getting your, design team box. Okay, so I guess I'll just go into the beads. So she has everything individually wrapped. Look at these cute. These are like a baby pink bead. You can make dangles. You can even add these to like sequin mixes depending on how big of like a shaker you have. These are probably like 6mm. Oh, here we go. 25 pieces on the back. Pink beads. Again, 25 right here. Look at these gorgeous mint color. And I love the little bags. Like you could reuse these bags once you put these little beads into your like organization. Okay, so they're basically the same color. They're not muffled with that front window. Oh, love these. Okay, so you get 25 of those, 25. Get a baby pink, so more babier than this. So cute. Then you get a darker teal beads, normally $1.59. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Sparkling sequins. Love it. Mint sprinkle sequins. She has everything labeled, a little sticker so you know what you're getting. You can reorder it individually or more of it. Love that idea. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. I love this pink sprinkles. 10 grams. Yes, yes, yes. And then this one, it's like a clear iridescent ice. Yep. Sounds about right. This one, super pretty. I think I ordered like an order on my own because she had a sale, but I think I ordered this one as well. So, ooh, I love this. So pretty. White pearl. And then look how cute. Pretty sure I ordered these too. Look how cute these are. Clay bows. Look at them. They're pink, yellow, and a white color. Super cute. Itty bitty. Uh-oh, something flew out. Something, the post office, they was rough. Okay, so these, look how cute. These are the little clips, like you can make like a dangle, a tassel, a charm. Look at these, and they're super thick and like heavy duty metal. Like that, they just clasp open in mint and teal colors. Super cute. And the bag did rip on those guys. And then we got these guys right here. These are like little eyelets, and they are in pink, a darker pink, gold, and then this really pretty mint color. Super cute. And then this little baggie, there's a baggie somewhere. Oh, here we go. These are little, look how cute. Jump rings. They're in dark pink, light pink, aqua, the darker blue, white, purple. So look how cute. There they all are. I scooped them up. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. She posted these on her Instagram. And I was like, all the Maggie Holmes vibes with that gorgeous flower. Look at these charms. Look at like a little flower in pink and then a flower in yellow. Gorgeous, stunning little charms. And then we have some yellow beads. Ooh, I love these. I don't have any color like this. Super exciting. Get 25 pieces of those as well. And then we have some more of the clay, but these are little pink flowers, like with a little white center. 10 grams of that clay flower. I'm definitely saving this crinkle paper and this box and this tissue paper. But look, she has the, what is this called? You get you get 4 of the darker mint, 4 of the lighter color, like just a shade off. And then you get 4 of the darker pink, 4 of the like lighter, a little bit lighter, and then 4 of the yellow. embroidery floss. There we go. So you can use this in your We Are Memory Keepers like threader thing. You can use this to make tassels. You can use this to make ghosties. You can make all sorts of little things with these guys. I love this. Ooh, love these colors too. Like I said, she knows what us crafters want. These gorgeous colors. If you work with pastels, this is like the dream kit. And last but not least, look at this, you guys. So she sells this individually on the website if you're just interested in this. It is the sequin sampler. Look at, she even printed out like a sheet of the colors, the names, everything. Super nice of her to do that. And look, it comes with a cute little, look at this little baby scooper. How cute. Okay, so she's gonna have to tape these down maybe with some washi before she sends them. Look at it. I can't believe they popped open like that. But anyway, gorgeous blues, mints, pinks. Look at those. Stunning colors. A lot of them definitely escaped out the bottom, but it kind of made like a pretty little mix for you. Pink ones. These pink, purple. These are all little heart shapes. Super adorable and super shiny. Cute little orange hearts. Flower section. Blue, like a white iridescent, and then a different type of, more like a clearish white, and then a pink. And then we have the flower section. These are like little starbursts. Oh, this guy. We have butterflies. Oh, I love these. Look at the pink, green. There's like a pink, like a, basically like a little flower shape. Those tiny little butterflies. We have some snowflakes. Look at those mint snowflakes. There's a pink iridescent, a tinier pink iridescent, and then a bigger pink iridescent. So cute. I'm so excited to play with these. And then we have a star section. We have white, yellow, a darkish orange, and then like a coral color. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I think that's everything. Yes. Oh, so exciting. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Ariel, so much for my design team package. I absolutely love everything. I can't wait to play all these fun goodies. Again, I will leave her information down below, her website down below, where to purchase, and my discount code. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.